back to my channel. I am super excited because today I received a package, and don't we all love it whenever packages come in the mail? It's Christmas every time it comes, but I got a package today I have been waiting for, and I'm super excited to open it. I have not opened this box as much as I have wanted to. I have waited and waited and watched it sit on my desk all day long since I got it. So, without further ado, let's open it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Looky, looky, looky. Ignore my nails, by the way. Ignore them. They're disgusting. I got my Tati palette. Okay. So, I love that she's using cardboard. Like the bubble wrap essentially is paper. So it's recyclable. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. All right, let's put that over there. And then it says, "Beautiful is your story to tell. XO's Tati." Look at how pretty it is. She looks amazing, by the way. All right. And then it comes in a little plastic packaging. Oh, it's soft. It's not like, it's soft. It is. And then remove the sleeve. Okay, and on the back it says glitter, metallic, sequin, matte, net weight, cruelty-free, vegan, distributed by Tati Beauty LLC, and that gives the address. And the Tati Beauty is raised. Oh my goodness. I haven't seen it yet. I'm seeing it with you the very first time. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I'm whispering. The mirror is actually really heavy, I would say. Okay, let me stop staring at it and show you guys. Let's do this. There we go. I'm going to do some swatches for you. But oh my goodness. Okay, let's swatch. This is my very first time swatching on camera, so let's see how that goes. Make sure my hands are clean. These. So. All right, first one I'm gonna go into is the Matte Memory. So Tati's palette, let's bend this back. Yeah. Oh, it feels so wrong doing that. All right, so it's got 4 different finishes: glitter, metallic, sequin, and matte, and 6 different shades: memory, ritual, story, soothe, aura, and poet. All right, so let's go into Matte Memory. Ooh, look at that. Let's get it to focus. Ooh, nope. Okay. I don't know if I'm supposed to. Let's do it there. pretty. All right. Let's go into sequin. There's metallic. There's glitter. Ooh. This is the sequin finish. This is the metallic finish. And the glitter finish. Ooh! How fun! And there's like, in the sequin finish, there's like pink flecks in it. That's so cool. Alright, let's wipe those off. I cannot wait to play with this. I cannot wait to play with this. So, as I'm going into the next color, today was a week on alternative day fasting, and I'm gonna put up another video talking about that, but oh my goodness, accomplishment, yay! I got past the first week without going crazy, bonkers. Okay. Ooh, I wish you could see that, it's just sitting there. All right, let's do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, this is the matte. This is the sequin. This is metallic. And this is the glitter. Ooh, I'm gonna use this a lot. That's very pretty. I am super excited about this. Super, super excited. So today we actually were able to move all of my, like my lighting and everything into our garage. So I have a little bit more room and a little more privacy. Now granted, you probably can hear my neighbors, but it's either no room or the neighbors talking, so there's that. All right, next is story. So let's go into that. I have glitter all over my hands. I think that's just the nature of the beast with glitter finishes. Trying not to. Okay. So story, matte, sequin, metallic, and glitter. So matte, story, sequin, story, metallic, story, glitter, story. Ooh. I think the glitter I'm gonna have to apply with like spraying a finishing spray or setting spray. There we go, setting spray or glitter glue or something. Because I don't know if the brush will pick all of that up. And technically, glitters are not eye safe. They, and I doubt these are. You have to just be really careful and make the decision yourself if you want to put them on your eye. Some people choose not to. But, I mean, who doesn't love a little glitter? Sometimes. I'm probably going to use the heck out of the glitter because I love glitter. And that, yeah. Okay, so next is the shade Soothe. Let me try to dry my hand here so that I don't get... Alright, here we go. Soothe is a good, like, transition shade. Good neutral. Sequin, ooh, that's beautiful. Metallic and glitter. All right, so matte, sequin, metallic, and glitter. I'm obsessed with this, guys. I am obsessed with it. I'm having so much fun. Okay, we need another one of those. And I'm probably gonna, you know what, not probably, I am going to practice and play with this palette, and then I'm going to upload a either a 5 or 7 looks video. I'm not really sure, just a quick compilation of it. Now the shade Aura, matte, sequin, metallic, and glitter. Just a compilation, and I'm also thinking about doing it with the blood sugar palette as well. So let me know if you look forward to seeing that. So matte, and you're probably not gonna be able to see much on my skin tone. Sequin, metallic, and glitter. Let me try to get those. There you go. This is probably a good, that's the old one, a good shade for like setting my primer, my whatever, so that it doesn't fall into the creases. It alleviates creases as much as possible. All right, now I'm going into Poet, and this is the matte, sequin, metallic, and glitter. Matte, sequin, metallic. Ooh, the metallic is not what I expected. And glitter. The metallic is almost more brown than this pinky red maroon situation going on with the rest. And the sequin has blue flecks of shine in it, so that would be a nice little pop. And I would love to do like a wear test, like to see how these wear throughout the day and everything. Ooh, these stain a little. You can see the shade stains a bit, but I'm sure like most pink red shades stain a bit. So there's this palette. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to play with it. I cannot wait. And I am going somewhere tomorrow, and I'm super excited about showing you guys after I go to the place what I'm doing. I'm not going to tell you beforehand because I want it to be a surprise and a ooh-ah moment, but I am going to film tomorrow and show you where I went and what I'm doing. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this and being excited with me as I opened and unboxed it. Thanks so much. Bye. See you in the next one. Ooh, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. It really, really will help me out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.